Hello pros, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this channel is centered on how to use organic and natural ingredients for your skin and hair, and even in your internal system. Here we say no to chemicals. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when there's a new video. And for now, we are starting with the basics. We'll be needing all these powders when the time be. So today we will be learning how to make oat powder. Now this powder has various benefits on the skin, which I will tell you at the end of the video. I also have a video of how to make rice powder, so I'll put that link in the description below. So please do well to watch that video. So to start, we'll need our oat. I bought this oat from a local store, but you can use any other oat available. Then you pour it into the blender and make sure the blender is dry to prevent some sort of lumps or paste in the powder. I'm going to blend it for 8 minutes. I often pause for a while because I just don't want to damage my blender. Finally, our powder is ready, and I'll be transferring it into a final container. But if you are following carefully, you should know that there's something wrong. Yes, to have that fine texture, we've got to sieve it. Okay, so whilst sieving, let's talk about the benefits. Oat powder can soak up the excess oil on your skin and help treat acne. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help to treat dry skin and remove dead skin cells. Oats also contain compounds called saponins, which are natural cleansers. They remove the dirt and oil that clog the pores and exfoliate the skin. Again, oat powder also brightens the skin, so sometimes we add it to our soaps and creams and others. It has amino acids in it, which can lighten marks, skin discoloration and dark spots. Along with oats face pack, you also need to consume oatmeal for optimum results. Vitamin E in oats also helps to correct skin discoloration, make skin dewy and glowing. Oat powder can absorb excess oil from the skin. Now I'm blending the chaff to get more powder. This is the fine texture I was talking about, and I'll transfer it to my container. very fine. Thank you all for watching. I have more videos upcoming, so please stay tuned. Bye.